I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, Bloomies. So today we have a new vlog. I came home yesterday. I'm supposed to be back home because I'm done with exams and all. I'm supposed to be back home, like pack all my stuff home, but I need to do clearance, and it won't be easy for me to like go to school, come back home, go to school. So I've decided to like just stay back in school for a while, try as much as possible to like sign my clearance before I move back home. So this morning I just want to like clean the house before I head back to school. To clean, I want to wash the toilets. So I just said I should come on here to say good morning to my squad, to my people. That I won't be as if this girl is so rude. You know we are not rude over here. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget, like I always say, that you are enough and you matter. And everything is figure outable. Whenever you're watching this video, always remember that someone loves you. Yes. Bye, bye, bye.
So I was like, okay, she's coming, guys. Don't worry, don't worry.
I'm flattered.
Yeah, no, I think just okay. So, what's your favorite quote that you live by?
Main one, I don't know whether I can attribute this to anyone in particular, but just that you literally have one.
But I never really put up a fight, didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the
Please open your ears and hear it well, because the amount of women who stick up with terrible relationships just out of the fear of being single.
I never left a stone unturned, trying to find some love in this crazy world. I felt like I was never heard. All I wanted was to be loved. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. You will find.
So, like when I was sleeping, it just brought back memories of when I was still staying with my mom's sister, and like when you are sweeping and then and your bum is up kind of, you'll be like, "Itunu she man gbale konye." In English, you would say that's not how you're supposed to sweep. That when you are sweeping, your broom is supposed to like be flat on the floor. Seriously, back then I was just like, why is she so harsh and all? But looking back now, looking at all the trainings, like the discipline she imbibed in me then, I'm so grateful to her. So yes, just that's it. I don't know why I'm saying this, but just bring it up, just brought back memories though. Yeah.
Away. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. You'll make it in time. Time. You'll make it in time. Time. You'll make it in time. waking up in my bed. You're still stuck in my head. I'm not even hungover. I wanna call your phone, tell you what you did